everybody, this is Justin Quinn here from Studio 46, and I'm just going to go ahead and do just a sound check so you can hear how the Behringer FX2000 Virtualizer 3D works. As I said, this is a Behringer FX2000 effects processor. So I'm just going to go ahead and let you hear how it sounds. I'm just running this through my Mackie. I'm using my Shure PG48 vocal microphone. And I'm just using this as an effect send out of the board, running into my EQ, out of my EQ, into my compressor, being compressed out of my compressor, into the effects, and then that's where you start to hear it. So there you go. So I'm just gonna show you how some of the effects sounds. Obviously, I can't go through all 200, but I'm just gonna go through some of them. So this is the cathedral, and then that's the driest signal. And that's the wettest signal. As you can tell, it's really affecting a lot. And then you can cut it down and do, what you want. So it's really cool. Then you have plate, which is just all kinds of cool echoes and reverbs. Hall, yeah, you can tell, yeah, it's doing stuff. Room, and then you can adjust the size and all that good stuff. And then you just have tons of reverbs and effects. I like this one. I think it's pretty nice. Then you have just tons of cool effects. I personally, this one's my favorite. It makes you sound like the devil. I really like that. I think that's cool. Very cool. There's just so many. Just kind of give you an example of what they sound like. I think it sounds really real. Like if you really were in a cathedral, I think Behringer really did a nice job in making their Virtualizer 3D. They did an excellent job. I'd recommend it. I think it sounds really real. I'm yet to get it out into a live event and do some recording with it. I've not done that yet, but so far just playing with it, I've found that it really works good, it really sounds good, and it really sounds real. So this is vibrato. There, it's working. I don't know if you can hear that too good, but obviously that's on and that is off. That is on and that is off. So you can definitely hear a difference there. That is pan. It's like stereo pan. Can't really hear it too good. It has compressors, gates, and all kinds of good stuff in it that you can use. So yeah. So if you ever want to use any of that, it's like 200 some things, and it's just so amazing. There's dual effects that do two things, like flangers and however you pronounce it. There's just tons of cool things. Whatever that was, I have no idea. So yeah, I definitely recommend it. I mean, if you're looking for a really good effects processor, I'd definitely get this effects processor. I think it sounds really nice. I definitely would recommend it to you. If you have any questions, please ask in the comments box. As I always say, comment, rate, subscribe, and yeah. If you have any questions, like I said, put them in the comments box. Check us out on Facebook. There's a link somewhere in the YouTube channel. From all of us here at Studio 46, and you'll have a nice day.